What does this say? What does that say? What's it say? What does this say? That's okay. Yes.
Very good.
It says yellow. Let's try another one. What does this say? Let's see. We'll do blue. Good boy. Good boy. Now, how about this? Yep, that's blue. What does this one say? Stop. Good. What about this? What's this say? What's this say? Pink. Good. Yeah, look. How about what? How about this one? What's this say? Moon. Good. Good job, Dean. What about this? Wait. Good. What's this one say? Red. Good. That's a good boy. Now what does this say? Wait. Just a minute. Wait, let me finish. Hey. Wait. Okay. You write. You can write. Mommy needs one of them. You have to show off your reading skills. What does that say? Look. Mommy. Good job. That was a good boy, Dean. Should we show him any more? Let me see. Oh. Are you trying to make a train with your crayons? With your colors? What color is this?
Blue.
Good. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Good boy.
Blue.
Blue. Good. That's a good boy.
Brown. Red.
Yeah. Do you want to read any more?
Day.
Right. Okay. Can you say bye?
No.
No? You don't want to say bye-bye? Look, say bye-bye to everyone. Can you give him your cheesy smile? That was good. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. One more cheesy smile. Dean. Hey. One more cheesy smile. Okay, bye.